Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a soft fluffy moi moi, a healthy high protein Nigerian dish that is so nutritious and so yummy. Let's get started. So these are what you're going to need for this. I'm using powdered bean flour. I'm using fish and egg for protein. Then I have my spices. I have paprika, seasoning cube, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. So I've soaked my beans for around 2 hours. Now I'm just going to blend everything together until very smooth. We don't want any grainy textures, so make sure to blend it perfectly until everything is as smooth as it can be. So just add in all your ingredients. I'm adding the onions, scotch bonnet pepper, paprika. I'm also going to go in with my seasoning, that's crayfish. I have thyme, curry, and some nutmeg, and that's my seasoning cubes. I'm just going to break it in, and then I'm also going to go in with some oil. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm just going to blend this together until very smooth. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I forgot to put the salt, so I'm adding it now, and then I continued blending it until it was well mixed together. So when that is done, I'm going to prepare my foil. I'm using a foil plate. You can use anything you have. You can use a wrap or ramekin or a moi moi plate. So this is the one I use here. It's a foil plate. It's very nice. So I'm just going to go in with some olive oil, and then I'm going to plaster it around the plate. It helps the moi moi come out better. So now I'm just going to pour in my moi moi batter. That's a good level. We don't want it too big or too filled up, otherwise it's going to spill out when it's done. So this is a very simple and a very nice dish to make in the morning. It pairs well with anything. You can have it with custard, with pap, but if you have diabetes, no custard and no pap. You can have that with, just pair it with vegetables, alright, cucumber, spinach, that's good enough, or ugu leaves, steamed ugu leaves. So here I'm just going to go in with my protein. I have my fish, and I'm also going to go in with the eggs. Just cover it, make sure the edges are tight. Alright, no spilling out, just cover it properly, and then we're going to get ready to boil our water for it. So in a pot, you're going to place a foil. It's going to help in steaming the moi moi. Place a foil, go in with some water and allow it to come to a boil. And when it does, you're now going to place your plates of moi moi inside it, okay? That's going to help it steam. And then you're going to help it steam on a low heat. Alright? I'm using 6 there on my hob. So steam it on a low heat and allow it to cook until it has cooked through. So I brought out one of it to check whether it has done. I used a pick to do that. You know how to check when your moi moi is done. So I placed the pick inside and some of the beans came out with it. So yeah, it wasn't done. So I checked, it was still a bit uncooked. It wasn't firm or hard enough. So I know it wasn't cooked. So I'm going to put it back in the pot to continue cooking until everything is firm and it has cooked through and it was bringing out that wonderful aroma. So that's it, our moi moi, very rich in protein, fiber, and perfect for your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Bye.